Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You turn on the hotspot and start where device control lives. First, pull down Quick Settings and tap Portable Hotspot. Once active, open Settings Network and Internet. Make sure your SSID and password are set so devices can join. Set band preference if available. You must have mobile data enabled because the phone shares that link. Once done, keep settings open. You'll move to the device list next to inspect who's connected and what access they have. You now go into Portable Hotspot and tap Connected Devices to see the active clients. The list shows each device name, IP address, and MAC. That helps you identify unknown users. You can examine live data usage, and if needed, tap a device to block or remove it. Make sure to use Allow List or Block rules to prevent reconnects, and set a client limit if you want. If you need consistent identification, copy MAC addresses into notes for later reference. You finish by securing and verifying the network. Change the hotspot password, optionally hide the SSID, and confirm client limits. Then disconnect any unknown devices and restart the hotspot to apply rules. If a device keeps failing to appear, toggle the hotspot off and on, disable battery saver, and make sure tethering permission is allowed for the active SIM. As a final tip, update system software. Outdated MIUI can cause UI glitches that hide.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.